if you see the employee table, I have inserted 3 records. So now we need to update this particular name. Instead of Anita, I need to update it as Sunita. Okay. So how we can do this is by using this command update. What we have to update? Employee, right? Employee table, and then set name equal to Sunita. Okay. And if we give like this means it will update all the records. Okay, so we have to use a where condition where eid equal to 2. Okay, now let's update this and let's query this one. Now if you see here, it has updated this one, right? So now suppose if I need to update all the records, we can update via update employee set name equal to Sunita, and I also need to update date of birth, so I am using dob equal to let's say 2004. Okay, now let's try to update this. So if I try this, we get an error, right? So because SQL don't allow us to update all the records at once for the safety reasons. So we have to make the safe updates to 0, and then now we have to execute this. Okay, now if we try to query this, see now all the names has been changed to Sunita, and the DOB has also changed to 2004. After this, we have to make it as 1 so that it will be safe.